Yo, what's up guys? It's me Kamal. In this video, I want to share how trading changed my life. It's not just about the money, it's about freedom, discipline, and a whole different mindset. A lot of people think trading is very easy cash, but the truth is behind every result, there is journey that no one talks about. If you want to know how this journey can change your life, then watch this video till the end. Hit the subscribe button and join my Telegram channel where I drop daily signals and proven strategies. It's all started with a simple desire to make money. Like most people, I came into the trading thinking it's very easy, quick cash, but I quickly realized that there is no money button here. At first, it was a constant losses, frustration, and thoughts that maybe trading wasn't for me. The first thing trading gives me is discipline. When you understand that without a clear plan and self-control, you won't make a cent, you start to change. Trading taught me not to rely on the luck, but to make decisions with a cool head. The second thing is patience. In trading, you can't rush. Every day, you learn to wait for the right setups, follow risk management, and not enter trades just because you want to make money. This patience helped me a lot, not only in trading but in my life too. Third is freedom. When you realize when you can make money from anywhere in the world just with your phone, it's an unreal feeling. But this freedom only comes to those who are ready to grind and accept the losses as a part of the journey. But the most important thing is a mindset shift. Trading isn't just about the money, but it's about how you think, how you make decisions, and how you react to the failures. You can't just go with a flow here. You have to become better every single day. At the same point, I realized money is just a tool. The real value is control your time and the ability to choose how you live. If you're ready to try this path, then I'm here to help you with your first step. In my Telegram channel, I share signals, strategies, and breakdowns that will help you to avoid the mistakes that I made in the start. Trading can really change your life, but only if you're ready to work on yourself. It's not easy money, but it's a chance to break out of the routine and build your life the way you want. If you're ready to walk in this path, then join my Telegram channel through the link in the description. Every day I drop free signals, strategies, and my personal experience that can help you to become more successful. One of those who actually wants to make money in this game. Hit the subscribe button, smash the like, and drop a comment. What does freedom mean to you? Maybe your story will be the topic of my next video. See you soon, friends.